If we eradicate the limits, the most enrapturing heavenly body I perceive is the one that may be exceptional in our sky. It is this one, Insect Squeeze. It's a huge, red, very Goliath star. And in the event that you were to situate it where our sun is, it would stretch out completely out to the circle of Jupiter. This huge, incredibly unstable, and nearly detonating star is not quite as clear as it might appear to be in the universe. These Goliath events, like the most extreme supernovae, could shake all that we notice and even things we don't. However, we can't see it obviously. Betelgeuse is viewed as a symbol of a red supergiant star, regularly much larger than our own Sunday. Brian Cox, along with other astronomers, believes it could explode in a supernova soon. People have grown increasingly concerned about what will happen since the James Webb Space Telescope has been capturing noteworthy images of the star. When exactly will Betelgeuse erupt into a supernova, and how critical will the impact be on our planet? We should dig into a star in the superb Orion constellation, which shines so brightly that even ancient civilizations noticed it. The stunning star, Betelgeuse, dwells on the eastern shoulder of the Orion constellation. It ranks as the second largest star in Orion, and its name derives from this position, marking it as a shoulder star. Betelgeuse is one of the brightest stars visible in the night sky. Despite its brilliance, the star emits a striking red shade, which, as we will explore, signals potential danger. Humanity has long studied Betelgeuse. Greek astronomer Timaeus observed it long ago. At that time, the only thing people recognized about stars was their color. Timaeus noted that the star appeared a reddish-orange shade, a disturbing sign. In recent years, scientists have been studying the star with even greater precision, and they now have a much clearer understanding of what makes it so strikingly bright. One of these factors is its significant variations in brightness, fluctuating by as much as 0.6. Betelgeuse is a variable star, meaning its brightness changes periodically. In 2019, researchers discovered new behaviors in the star that had never been seen before. Although Betelgeuse didn't stop shining completely, its luminosity significantly decreased. It dimmed to a level of around 1.6, prompting experts to investigate why such an anomaly was occurring in one of the brightest stars in the sky. They were hoping to find an explanation for why Betelgeuse was acting so inconsistently. According to their findings, Betelgeuse could explode as a supernova at any moment. Brian Cox, a renowned scientist, shared this alarming assessment. As a distinguished professor of particle physics at the University of Manchester and the Royal Society Professor for Public Engagement in Science, his opinion carries weight. He also presents popular science TV programs and writes books, making his perspective highly respected. Brian Cox explained that Betelgeuse seems like a ticking time bomb, one that could erupt with almost no warning. To support this claim, the James Webb Space Telescope has provided crucial evidence. However, several characteristics of Betelgeuse have raised many questions. Why does Betelgeuse behave so strangely in terms of its variability? With the new data, Betelgeuse has become a strong candidate for a supernova. However, scientists still don't know when the explosion will occur. The fact that Betelgeuse's mass is nearly twice that of the Sun supports this classification. In general, stars with significantly more mass than the Sun are considered potential supernova candidates. The plot thickens, though, because researchers have used various tools, such as the James Webb Space Telescope and the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, to uncover mysteries surrounding the star. What they've discovered is still shrouded in mystery. Betelgeuse was born an extremely long time ago, on August 31st in cosmic terms, and since then, it has been displaying unusual signals that keep its future uncertain. What did they find? Scientists detected peculiar light waves emanating from the star, raising further interest. However, this wasn't the only strange event. Betelgeuse is a variable star, fluctuating in brightness. Reports suggested that Betelgeuse had regular dimming episodes, similar to sunspots on our Sun, but with different cycles. It now shifts between bright and faint phases twice as fast as it once did, another odd sign that Betelgeuse is acting unpredictably. Experts observed that in February 2021, the star's dimming cycle reached a brightness band of 1.61, not long after experiencing a massive dimming event. This marked the beginning of its strange behavior and raised alarms that Betelgeuse may be nearing the end of its life. The massive dimming between 2019 and 2020, when Betelgeuse was at its lowest level, convinced many experts that the star would explode within the next 100,000 years. However, when Betelgeuse brightened again after this exceptional dimming, things became even more perplexing. Astrophysicist Andrea Dupree from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics observed that the star had become 150% brighter than usual, making it the seventh brightest star in the sky. Scientists were astonished to see a red glow emerging from the southern part of the sky, making the situation even more baffling. This development sparked various theories about the cause of Betelgeuse's extraordinary dimming. It is crucial to highlight that not every star emits the same red glow as Betelgeuse does. This glow marks Betelgeuse as a red supergiant star, which is the final phase of a star's life before its death. This red hue results from a surface temperature of around 3,500 Kelvin, significantly cooler than the outer layer of the Sun, which is approximately 5,500 Kelvin. Because Betelgeuse is cooler than the Sun, it emits less energy per unit of surface area, even though it is much larger and on the verge of exploding. We should also consider the unprecedented dimming event that Brian Cox questions. Does it truly mean Betelgeuse will go supernova? The fact that Betelgeuse is already in its red supergiant phase suggests that it is approaching a spectacular end as a star. A star in this phase often dims as it dies, and this is something scientists can detect. However, Betelgeuse's recent strange behavior has led researchers to focus even more on monitoring it. Today, multiple telescopes are observing this unusual dimming event, attempting to gather more insights. Things continue to get even more intriguing, as experts still do not fully understand Betelgeuse's behavior. Using cutting-edge instruments, scientists are watching the star closely. The James Webb Space Telescope has been one of the most crucial tools since its launch in 2021, helping astronomers gather new, important data about Betelgeuse. Its images of the star's unusual dimming have revealed that the event caused a massive mass ejection, about 400 billion times larger than a typical coronal mass ejection. The James Webb Space Telescope can also detect things invisible to the naked eye, such as specific light wavelengths, making it an invaluable asset. Despite the certainty that Betelgeuse is indeed nearing its end, scientists continue searching for clues about when it will finally explode. No one knows the exact moment. Betelgeuse is believed to be significantly more massive than the Sun, and experts anticipate that this brilliant red star will shine for the next decade. However, when Betelgeuse finally explodes, the event will be one of the most spectacular celestial phenomena ever witnessed. For a short time, it could outshine the full moon, casting visible shadows on Earth at night. Will Betelgeuse's supernova affect Earth? While the explosion will be an extraordinary event, scientists do not believe it will pose any direct danger to our planet. Betelgeuse is approximately 642 light-years away, which is far enough that even a supernova of this magnitude would not cause catastrophic harm. However, it will have some effects. One of the primary concerns is the potential impact of the gamma-ray burst GRB that may be released. If the star's explosion were to emit a GRB directed at Earth, it could have consequences for our planet's atmosphere. Fortunately, the star's axis is not pointed directly at us, making this risk minimal. Another effect will be an increase in cosmic rays, high-energy particles ejected from the explosion. These could potentially disrupt satellite communications, but Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere provide strong protection against most cosmic radiation. What happens after the explosion? After Betelgeuse goes supernova, its fate will depend on its final mass. There are two main possibilities. 1. Neutron star formation. If the core remains between 1.4 and 2.16 times the mass of the Sun, Betelgeuse will collapse into a neutron star, an ultra-dense stellar remnant where a sugar cube-sized piece of matter would weigh millions of tons. 2. Black hole formation. If the core is above the neutron star mass limit, it will collapse further, forming a black hole. This would make Betelgeuse one of the nearest black holes to Earth. Regardless of the outcome, the explosion will leave behind a rapidly expanding supernova remnant, similar to the famous Crab Nebula, which was formed by a supernova recorded in 1054 AD. The scientific importance of Betelgeuse's explosion. A Betelgeuse supernova would be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for astronomers. With modern telescopes, we would be able to study the event in real time, capturing data that could provide insights into the mechanics of supernovae, the formation of neutron stars or black holes, the behavior of interstellar dust and gas after a stellar explosion. The James Webb Space Telescope, along with other observatories like Hubble, Chandra X-ray Observatory, and LIGO, will allow scientists to analyze the event across multiple wavelengths of light, from gamma rays to radio waves. When will Betelgeuse explode? The biggest mystery remains the exact timing of Betelgeuse's explosion. While scientists estimate it could happen within the next 100,000 years, the star's unpredictable behavior suggests it could happen much sooner or much later. For now, astronomers will continue monitoring Betelgeuse, watching for any signs that its end is near. Whether it explodes tomorrow or in 1,000 years, when it finally does, it will be one of the most incredible celestial events humanity has ever witnessed. Would you like to explore more about what a Betelgeuse supernova would look like from Earth, or how ancient civilizations reacted to past supernovae? From Earth, Betelgeuse appears as brilliant as the full moon. However, the cosmic explosion will be a wondrous and enormous occasion. It won't represent any immediate danger to Earth, since Betelgeuse is over 600 light-years away. In any case, it will provide a significant opportunity for researchers to study the final stages of a massive star's life and the phenomena associated with such a powerful event. Betelgeuse's inevitable demise isn't just a scientific curiosity, but also a reminder of the vast and unpredictable nature of the universe. Stars like Betelgeuse play a crucial role in the life cycle of galaxies, enriching the cosmos with elements essential for the formation of new stars, planets, and possibly life itself. The death of such a star isn't an end, but a transformation, as it releases heavy elements that will seed new celestial systems. Meanwhile, scientists continue to observe Betelgeuse, piecing together the puzzle of its future with each new discovery. The mystery surrounding it deepens, expanding our understanding of the universe. Perhaps, in the years to come, we will witness one of the most phenomenal events in the cosmos, the transformation of Betelgeuse from a massive red supergiant into a dazzling supernova. Until then, the sky will remain a canvas of wonder, with Betelgeuse shining brightly as a reminder of the fleeting nature of life in the universe. Betelgeuse's transformation into a supernova is an event that will capture the attention of astronomers and skywatchers alike. Although we are uncertain when exactly this transformation will occur, the star's current instability has sparked a wave of speculation about its future. Advanced instruments and technologies, such as the James Webb and Hubble space telescopes, have provided astronomers with unprecedented insights into the behavior of this remarkable star. As Betelgeuse's brightness fluctuates and its unpredictable changes continue, scientists are meticulously studying the data in hopes of understanding what triggers these variations. The star's extreme fluctuations could be a precursor to the violent explosion that will ultimately mark the end of its stellar life. Whether Betelgeuse will explode within the next few years or in a significantly longer time frame remains uncertain. One thing is clear. The universe is full of cosmic surprises, and Betelgeuse's eventual demise will be a spectacle that brings new opportunities for discovery. Throughout the centuries, astronomers have observed and studied countless stars, but few have garnered as much attention as Betelgeuse. Its enormous size, variable brightness, and mysterious color changes have made it a subject of intense research. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is already in the final phase of its life cycle. The star's immense size means that it will eventually exhaust its nuclear fuel, leading to its inevitable collapse and subsequent explosion into a supernova. This explosive event will release an astonishing amount of energy, drastically altering the surrounding cosmic environment. Despite the many uncertainties surrounding the exact timing of Betelgeuse's supernova, astronomers agree on one thing. The star's eventual demise will be one of the most significant cosmic events of our lifetime. The data being collected by the most advanced telescopes today is helping to unravel the mysteries of the star, providing crucial information about the processes that occur during the final stages of a star's life. By studying the behavior of Betelgeuse, scientists can gain deeper insights into the broader mechanics of stellar evolution. Furthermore, the explosion of Betelgeuse will likely leave a lasting impact on the surrounding space, enriching the interstellar medium with heavy elements that will eventually be incorporated into new stars, planets, and possibly even life forms. This cycle of creation and destruction is a fundamental aspect of the life cycle of stars, and Betelgeuse's supernova will be a perfect example of this cosmic process. As we continue to observe Betelgeuse and other stars in similar stages of evolution, astronomers are using cutting-edge technology to better understand the forces at play. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unmatched ability to observe distant objects in the universe, is providing a wealth of data that will shape our understanding of stellar dynamics. The images and measurements captured by this telescope are helping to shed light on the complex mechanisms that drive a star's evolution from birth to its ultimate destruction. Although the death of a star may seem like a catastrophic event, it is, in fact, a crucial stage in the ongoing cycle of stellar evolution. The elements released during a supernova contribute to the formation of new stars, planets, and possibly even life. In this sense, the death of Betelgeuse and stars like it is not an end, but rather a transformation that fuels the birth of new celestial bodies. Ultimately, Betelgeuse's supernova will play a significant role in the ongoing evolution of the universe, contributing to the formation of the building blocks for future generations of stars and planets. Until the day Betelgeuse finally explodes, astronomers will continue to observe and study its behavior, deciphering the clues that will help them predict its future. The star's unpredictable dimming and brightening cycles, as well as its other mysterious behaviors, make it a fascinating subject of study. With each new discovery, scientists are learning more about the processes that govern the life cycle of stars and, in turn, the evolution of the universe itself. The mystery surrounding Betelgeuse's fate serves as a reminder of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. The universe is filled with untold wonders, and studying stars like Betelgeuse allows us to glimpse the incredible processes that shape the fabric of reality. As we continue to explore the universe and expand our understanding of the forces that govern it, we are reminded of the delicate, transient nature of life itself. The stars, including Betelgeuse, shine brightly in the night sky, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary and ever-changing universe in which we live.